Hello viewers, it's Irfan and I've got a Brother DCP-L2550DW model. Now it doesn't have any toner cartridge in it, so I sent away for one. I shopped around and the cheapest I could find was from TEMU, and you could see here I got it for $9.09. It says compatible TN760 730, and that's what the printer recommends. I'm gonna put it in. This is what I got. This is what got delivered to me, and let's see what we got here. Some instructions, and this is the toner cartridge. Alright, now I'm gonna read their instructions first and see what they say, because it's an aftermarket product, and that's what it says there, TN760 TN730. Right, that's what it calls for. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see. I already shook it up. This is shake it horizontally a few times. I already did that. That's what it looks like. Toner cartridge. Looks pretty good. Now to insert it, you got to open up this here, and this from the side here, it just pulls down. See that? That pulls down, and that's the holder. This comes straight out. The toner cartridge sits in here. This orange protective cover has to come off, and it just pops right out like that. Okay, and that's the print mechanism in there. I'm going to install it in that now. I closed that door so I could get some more space here. This cartridge goes into that. Now you can see I've got it flat on the plexiglass. There's no pressure when you put it in. You see that one side there, and this end. Let me show you. It goes straight in like that, goes down, and click. That's it, and it's in there now. Now they recommend that you slide this thing back and forth a few times before you put it in, like that. I'll do that a few times. And the home position is to the left where it clicks there. That's the home position. Open that back. Now this goes in very easy. This just slides in. You'll see it. There's no pressure, there's no force. It just goes right in like that. And that's it. It's in. Close that back. And now I'm going to power it up. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Sometimes these aftermarket products are not recognized by the printer. It says replace drum. Well, I had to do it a few times to get it to accept the new toner cartridge. I got my paper in here, and all I'm going to do is make a copy. I've got this here, stuff that I print up. Put it on that. I just want to make sure it's copying good, so hit copy, scan options, copy options, all of that. I don't care about that. I'm just going to hit start, and it says, you can hear it, copying 1 of 1. Let's see what it gets now. Alright, here we have it. Wow, that's beautiful. So that's what came out, and this, the one on the left, is what is my original, and this is what came out. No complaints about that. My paper is a bit old. My paper has been sitting around for, I don't know, 10 years or more. That's why it's a little off color, and this is really white because this is new, but this is really impressive. A good clean print, and the toner cartridge costs $9.09. Now I wanted to see if this top side is the side that prints and how it comes out. So what I did, I put a mark, a little X here on the page. So when I put my page in on the glass like this, I'll be able to tell which side you know, how the orientation is. So I'll put that in there and do a scan and do a print. Right, so we go to copy print, and I'll hit start. Now you could also take this thing out here, you know, if you're going to be having a lot of pages. I'll just hit the start, copy it. Alright, well, there's no mark on the side that printed. The mark is on the other side. Okay, so I put it in this way. You see that mark? This is the way I put it in, and it printed like that. To show you that mark is there, right, and the print is, if I turn it over like this, print is like 180 degrees. Yeah, that's it. The print is 180 degrees flipped over, in case you need to know that. Alright. Now, when I put it in this way with my mark there, it came out 180 degrees. Now, what I want to do is print on this again, but on the other side, and I wanted to print this here. So what I'll do, this is my original, I'll put this on the scanner bed like that, and seeing that it prints on the opposite side, if I put it in like this, it's going to double print on this. So I'm going to put this in this way. I'm going to put this in upside down, right? And hopefully it'll come out with the right orientation if I got that figured out. Close that in. Close that in. We go to copy scan and then start. And let's see if I figured it out correctly. Alright, so here's what we got. Yep, That's it. So this is here and this is here. So we got the yummy foods, right? And guess the animals in the, like a page, just like a book, you turn it. That's it. So I figured it out correctly there. If you needed to know what to do. So now what I could do, I could use this one again to print on this side. So I'll get 2 copies of that. So the yummy foods goes here. And in my tray, I'm going to put this in so that it prints on the opposite side. So if I put it in like this, it's going to print on this side. So I'm going to put it in like this, but around this way, and I should end up with a 2-sided copy with the right orientation. That, start, and let's see. Alright, so I see how it's coming out there. Guess the animals there. And yummy foods. Alright, so we got yummy foods, guess the animals, just like a page. So now you know how to put your paper in if you want to make a 2-sided copy and you want to get it in the right orientation, like this here. Right? Alright guys, hope that was helpful for you. Thank you very much. Bye now.